Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're safe and doing well. I think I should welcome myself back again. I know it's been a long time and I haven't uploaded any video, but don't you worry, I'm going to upload back to back this week. So stay. And today we are going to do this makeup look. So this is going to be transfer proof makeup. These days we wear masks, so we need to do transfer proof makeup because there is no point if it get transferred to our mask. So I thought we should do a transfer proof makeup. So if you guys interested, please make sure you subscribe my channel because that's how you will be notified whenever I post a new video. And for now, let's get started. So today we are only going to focus on our eyes only because lips and this area will be covered. So I'm not going to use very much of like makeup. We are just going to cover the unevenness on the skin and we are good to go. So to very heavy duty base, I'm only going to use concealer. For concealer I'm going to use Pro Conceal, my all-time favorite, as you already know. And I'm going to take a very tiny amount of it just to hide the unevenness on the skin. That's it. Only at the area unevenness or some kind of darkness, we are just going to hide that only. Little bit on the forehead. And now I'm going to blend it with my beauty sponge. You can also use your fingers. Just pack the product into your skin. That's it. Can you see the difference? We are not going to use any kind of foundation. You can go with another layer also as per your skin. I don't need much, right? We are good to go. To use the second concealer just to brighten up the eyes because this is a little bit of a lighter shade than my skin tone. And I'm just going to use one drop and that's it. Only on your T-zone, just to give that freshness to your skin. And just blend it. Make sure you blend it properly because that's how it is going to stick to your skin and not going to transfer with your mask. Now I'm going to lock my base with a loose powder. I'm using this Lakme loose. You can use as per your preference. So I'm just going to take a tiny amount of powder and pack the product into my skin. Just going to take this amount of it. It will help our base to stick to its place and transfer. That's it. Only at the areas where you have used concealer. That's it. Now I'm going to let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes and I'm going to do my brows. And for brows I'm going to use this pencil. I'm going to let it sit while I'm doing my brows. take your time while doing your brows because brows plays a very important role. Just do it very carefully, and especially nowadays because we wear masks, so our only focus on our eyes, so make sure you do it very properly. Just change the game. Now I'm going to remove the powder. This is going to help to stick our base to its place so it doesn't move and transfer from your skin. It's very important to lock your base. Then we are done with our base. Now we are going to focus on our eyes. And for eyes I'm going to use this palette. This is by Swish Beauty, and I'm going to brown concealer. I'm going to use the shim shade. Now I'm going to use a lighter shade. This shade. That's it. It's so pretty. Mascara, this is by Maybelline, and I'm going to coat my lashes. That's it. Mascara makes a lot of difference. Now I have put on my lashes to use blush. We are going to use very less amount of any product because at the end this is going to transfer. Little bit on nose, and that's it. To use this Insight lipstick, this is a very beautiful color, a pinkish nude kind of shade. I'm going to use my fingers to blend it. This is not going to budge, don't worry. And that's it.